let us have the concept of inverse of a matrix, and that is by using elementary row transformation. The method is known as Gauss-Jordan method. Now we know what is the inverse of a matrix. So if you are having a square matrix A, and which is non-singular. Non-singular means its determinant should not be equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. Then there exists another matrix B such that AB equal to BA equal to identity matrix. Then this B is called inverse of A. Okay. Now here in 12th standard you have found the inverse, okay, by adjoint of a matrix, okay, but here we shall find the inverse by using elementary transformation, and that method is known as Gauss-Jordan method. So inverse by using the Gauss-Jordan method, or you can say by row operation, okay, by row operation. Okay, now here how to find out that. So first we are given A, we write here A as I into A. Here if you even do not check whether the matrix is singular or non-singular is not required. During the process, if the matrix is not invertible, we can find out also. Then we apply the operations, elementary row operations. So if we apply the elementary row operations on LHS, that is on A, and the prefactor I of A, so if we apply the elementary operation here and here, okay, and we turn out to be like this. To reduce the form, like here it will become In, and here some matrix B and that A. So this B is A inverse. Okay, so that's very easy. Normally it asks when a question from in a exam. So let us solve the example here. So find the inverse, find the inverse of A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 0, 8. This was asked into 3 times in GTU exam by Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, so let us solve this example. That A, we write A equal to IA. So here we write this is 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 0, 8 equal to identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and A. Okay. Now we apply the elementary transformation so that the left side becomes the identity matrix and prefactor of A, that is identity matrix, becomes some other matrix which is inverse. So here we need to convert into identity matrix, so we need to convert into reduced row echelon form. So here we are having 1, make the entry below to it to be 0. So we do like this. In R2, R2 minus 2R1, and R3, R3 minus R1. Okay. So that turns out to be here 1, 2, 3. Now multiply minus 2 every element of first row, minus 2, and then add in the second row. So this is minus 2 plus 2, 0. Then minus 4 plus 5, it is 1. Then minus 6 plus 3, so that is minus 3. Do the same process here. 1, 0, 0. Multiply with minus 2 and add here. So minus 2 plus 0, so that is minus 2. This will be 1, this is 0. Now R3 minus R1, so minus, multiply with minus sign and here add here. Okay. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. This is minus 2. This is minus 6 plus 8. So here we are having not 6, just minus 1 multiply. So minus 3 plus 8. So take care here, that is 5. Same process we need to apply here and here. So minus 1 here, so that is minus 1. Then this is minus 0, but there is no change here. Then 0 and 1, so that is 1. Okay. Now fortunately here we are having 1. So make the entry above and below to be 0, because we want to make it into identity matrix. So that means in R1, R1 minus 2R2, and in R3, R3 plus 2R2. Okay. So this one is now minus 2R2. So first row as it is 1, 2, no, second row as it is. Okay. 0, 1, minus 3. Now multiply second row with minus 2 and add here. So this will be 1, no change because of 0. Then minus 2 plus 2, 0. Then minus 2 here, so that will be 6 and 3, so that will be 9. Same process we do here. So multiply with minus 2 here and add here. So that is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then minus 2 and both 0, so it is 0. Same way R3 plus 2R2, so multiply 2 and add here. Same way here also. So this will be 0, this is 0. Now multiply with 2 here, so that will be minus 6, and plus 5, so that is minus 1. Same process here, multiply with 2 and add, so 2 into minus 2 minus 4 and minus 1, so that will be minus 5. So here R3 multiply with R2 multiply with 2 and adding in R3, so that will be minus 4 minus 1, so minus 5. Then multiply with 2 and add, so that is 2. Multiply with 2 here, add here, so no change, so it is 1 and A. Okay. Next is this minus 1, we can make it 1. So R3 into minus 1. Don't forget, we have to do both sides. 1 0 9, 0 1 minus 3. This is 0 0 1, and this is 5 minus 2 0, minus 2 1 0, and this is 5 minus 2 minus 1 into A. Now by using this 1, we have to make these two entry to be 0. So let us do that part. So applying in R1 minus 9 R3, and R2 plus 3 R3. Okay, so this is equal to now 1, because these two are 0, so this will not change. So 1 0, but this is now minus 9 plus 9, so that is 0. Apply same process in the right side. So that is nothing but multiply with minus 9, so minus 45 plus 5, so that is minus 40. Multiply with minus 9, so that will be 18, minus 2, and so 16. Multiply with minus 9 here, so that will be 9, and add here, so that is 9. Okay, now R2 plus 3 R3. Okay, so let us do here, this two 0, so that this to no change, so this is 0 1, but then 3 multiply here, 3 add here, so that will be 0. Okay, and 0 0 1, third row no change. Same procedure we need to do it here, multiply with 3 and add here. So now this is 15 minus 2, so that will be 13. Then multiply with 3 here, so minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Multiply with 3 here, so minus 3 plus 0, it will be minus 3. Third row no change, 5 minus 2 minus 1. Now we can see that this is identity matrix, and so this will nothing but the inverse. So we are having I3 equal to A inverse A, and hence A inverse equal to minus 40, 16, 9, 13, minus 5, minus 3, 5, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, let us solve one more example. Find the inverse of A equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1 0 1 0 by using Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, so we write A equal to I3A. So 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1, then 0 1 0 equal to I3. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 A. Now we need to make this matrix as identity matrix. Now here we have already 1, so we make the entry below to it to be 0. So we take R2 as R2 plus R1, and then so we have 1 0 1. Now if we add this, so this will be 0, adding R1 and R2, so 1 2, third row as it is. Same procedure we need to do in the right hand side of the identity matrix. 1 0 0 adding, so that will be 1 1 0 0 0 1 and A. Now here we are having already 1, so make this entry to be 0, so that will be R3 minus R2, and so we get, so 1 0 1 first row, second row no change, so 1 0 0 1 1 0. Now R3 minus R2, so this is 0, this one is 0, R3 minus R2, so this one is minus 2. Similarly we need to apply here R3 minus R2, so that will be minus 1 and 1 A. Now here we are having 1 here, 1 here, we can make it 1 here, so that means R3 multiply with minus 1 by 2, and so this will be 1 0 1 0 1 2, this is a 0 0 1. Same procedure here also, 1 0 0 1 1 0. Now multiply with minus 2, so this will be 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, and now by using this one, we have to make these two entries to be equal to 0. So let us take R1 minus R3 and R2 minus 2R3, so that will entries to be 0. So that will be equal to R1 minus R3. So these are the two 0 0, so this don't change, only this will be changed. So 1 0 0, this will be equal to, now here R1 minus R3, so 1 minus 1 by 2, and so that will be 1 by 2, then 0 minus 1 by 2, so that will be minus 1 by 2, and 0 minus 1 by 2, so that will be plus 1 by 2. Then R2 is R2 minus 2R3, so these are the two zeros, so this no change, but here that will be 0, so that will be 0 1 0. But here R2 minus 2R3, so R2 minus 2R3, so if I take minus 2 here, that will be minus 1 and plus 1, so that will be 0. Same way here also 0, and here multiply with minus 2, so that will be 1, and adding here. So this is 1. Third row same, 0 0 1. This is 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and A. So now this will be, this is identity matrix, this is our A inverse and A. So A inverse equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 0 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, let us take one more example. Find A inverse using Gauss-Jordan method for A equal to 266 276 277. So here let us write A equal to I3A. So therefore this is 266 276 277 100 010 001 and A. Now this we need 1, so we can divide by 2. So this first row can be divided by 2. So the first step is R1 into 1 by 2. So we get 1 3 3 2 7 6 2 7 7 and here also divide by 2. So that is 1 by 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and A. Now by using this 1, we make the entry below to it to be 0. So we have to do like this: R2 minus 2 R1, and same way R3 minus 2 R1. Okay, and so let us see. So this is 1 3 3, this is 1 by 2 0 0. Now R2 minus 2 R1, so minus 2 plus 2, that will be 0. Then this is minus 6 plus 7, so that is 1. Then this is a minus 6 plus 6, so that is 0. This side R2 minus 2 R1, so if I take minus 2 here, so that will be minus 1, add here, so that is minus 1, and because of these two 0, there won't be any change here, so that will be 1 0. Now here R2 multiply with minus 2 and add here, so this is 0, then 1, then again 1. Similarly here minus 1, so here minus 1, and because of this 2 0, this will not change, so that is 0 1. Now next, so here we have already 1, so we can make this entry and this one to be 0. So we can apply R1 minus 3 R2, okay, and R3 as R3 minus R2. Okay, So let us now do this. R1 minus 3 R2. So here 0 we don't have any problem, but this one is minus 3 plus 3, so that is 0. Because of this is 0, that 3 will remain. Okay, and here now multiply R2 with minus 3 here, and then add in 1. So minus 3, so that will be 3, add in 1, so it is 1 by 2, so that is 7 by 2. Then here multiply with minus 3 and add here, so that will be minus 3, and then both 0, so that won't be having any problem. Second row as it is, 0 1 0 minus 1 1 0. Now third row is R3 minus R2, just subtraction. So this is 0 0 1. Okay, and here now subtraction R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 1, then 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now using this 1, we can make this to be 0. So R1 minus 3 R3, and so this is equal to 1 0 0. Now R1 minus 3 R3, so this is, because of this is 0, no change here, so that is 7 by 2. Then this is minus 3, so that will be plus 3, minus 3, so that will be 0. This is minus 3, and here add, so that is minus 3. This is 0 1 0 minus 1 1 0. This one is 0 0 1. This is 0 minus 1 1. And so this is our identity matrix. This one is our A inverse. So therefore A inverse equal to 7 by 2 0 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 and 0 minus 1 1. Thank you.